everyone. Welcome to CSR Awards. Today, we are recognizing a few key employees who have contributed significantly to CSR. So the first award to the most punctual employee goes to Mr. Ashray Upmanyu. Mr. Ashray Upmanyu. Congratulations.
So shenanigans. Now every organization faces these kind of shenanigans when there's an employee who's not punctual at all. Now this comes under the social pillar of an employee. An employee needs to be dedicated towards his or her work and they should be disciplined about it as well. An organization should look at their governance pillar and handle the employees with professionalism and with the ethical code of conduct.
The most ethical employee award goes to Mr. Ankur Sharma. Ankur Sharma.
So ethics is one of the most essential component of a corporate employee. When I talk about ethics, it shows that employee's ability to take accountability, to be transparent and to be fair amongst their colleagues. And it also enhances his or her confidence among the stakeholders.
The award for the most loyal employee goes to Ms. Diya Singla. She is so loyal that she uses a car that runs on diesel and pollutes the environment by emitting carbon. But she won't change the car. She is so loyal. Ms. Diya Singla.
So in ESG term, driving an old car increases the carbon emission, which directly affects the environmental pillar of ESG. Now when I say this, I truly say that qualities like loyalties are much admirable, but moving to sustainable practices and driving the vehicles that are low carbon emission should be appreciated in an organization, as employee represents the entire business, and if a company's employees are not sustainable or not following the sustainable practices, the business directly is being affected by the environmental causes.
From now onwards, I would come to the office regularly on time and be an asset to the company.
From now onwards, I try to be more ethical and contribute more and more to the organization.
So I will try to justify this title by trying to be more loyal towards the environment, and I will try to contribute to my society and environment, and I will replace my old beloved car with a new one.
So, in conclusion, I would like to say that ESG is not a one-person task, but it includes a collective effort and contribution. So, let's join our hands together to
Contribute to the society.